Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am tidying up my room, and I'm taking you guys along with me. I just woke up, and this is what I do when I wake up. First thing, I try to spread my bed, put it back together, because when my bed is made, it makes me feel good and complete, and I can take on the rest of the day. So enjoy. Guys, I have so much pillows on my bed. I've been trying to downsize the amount of pillows, and I was able to take two away, so bravo to me. So, but it's not hard at all. Having to do this every morning, it's not hard to put my pillows back. I know everything has to go, so I just normally pick them up, drop them back in place, fix my sheet back, and I'm good to go. It probably takes me less than 2 minutes to fix my bed back when in the morning. This particular morning, I don't have anywhere to go early this morning. So what I'm doing is I'm doing a little extra that I normally would have to do. When I came in yesterday, I knew in the morning I didn't have to get up early. So, clothes I took off was still sitting on the sofa. We was watching movies last night, me and babe. So, I'm tidying back up everything. These are some sheets that I got out of the dryer. So I'm finally folding them up. I had a really busy week, guys. So, because of that, these sheets were not folded. And I had them there literally all week. They've been just waiting on me like, hey, can you fold me? So I'm fold these up, get my room tidy up, light my candles, put my lights on, and just leave my room just feeling, like a little sanctuary, because that's what it is to me, a sanctuary. Yeah, baby Zyla, like, her stuff is always all over the place, because she will come and she'll just drop her stuff and walk off. And I'll be like, girl, what are you doing? So, or she'll come and pick something up and run away, and you have to go run behind her. I'm like, girl, that little girl, but she's my heartbeat though, and I love her so much. So, I'm tidying up this sofa. This sofa is so comfortable. I spent a lot of time on that sofa. I would lay there because I don't like to lay my bed after I made the bed. So I would lay in the sofa or sit in the sofa and watch TV before. When I go up in my bed, I know that's it. If I go up in that bed, that's it for the night. I'm not coming back down. So during the day, I do not lay on my bed. Everybody knows not to go on my bed. It's my little jewel. Don't go on my bed. I'm doing a lot extra than I normally would in the mornings. In the mornings, normally all I have to do is to spread my bed, and I'm through the door. Today, because I don't have anywhere to go, putting stuff away, putting the suitcase back. I have to empty that suitcase out after my travels. So I'm putting that away. It's been there all week. So I'm putting that away. And, all my water bottles. It's coming into like the fall, winter time right now. So at night times, my throat be like really parched. And, I will always have to be drinking all this water. So here, that was my Miss Myers multi-surface cleaner. So I am going to dust down my nightstands, get those cleaned up, and I'll be good to go. I find like my nightstand gets a lot of dust, guys. I think it's because it's a dark color, so you see every little thing, every little dust that's in the air. Like you can literally see it because it's a light color, which is a good thing and it's a bad. It's good and it's bad because it's good because it makes me clean it more often. And it's bad because you can see it all the time. So I always feel like I gotta go rush get the rag and tidy it up, you know. So that I do in the mornings. Like in the mornings, if I see it looking dusty, I grab the rag real quick and wipe it down. So when I come home, it's good, you know. And of course, you know, I'm doing extra by sweeping my floor. I do not sweep the floor every day, but you can best to believe every Saturday it's swept, vacuumed. The whole 9 happens on a Saturday. It's just my day. You get up pretty early before the rooster crows and you start to clean. So definitely I got that from my mom. So definitely on a Saturday, yeah. Today's not Saturday, but like I said, I'm doing a little extra this morning because I don't have anywhere to go. So I was like, you know what? Let me tidy up my room before I go downstairs for the day. It's a lot of dust. Baby Zyla, she was eating her little pops. So I'm like dusting everything off. Before I used to be so, oh my gosh, she's messing now. It's like, you know what? That's my baby. She's messing stuff up. I will just clean after. So I just let her have free reign, let her eat. I know it's no more like, oh, my stuff is fancy. No, ain't no fancy stuff here when it comes to Baby's Island. And I don't want to limit her and, you know, what she does, where she can walk around, where she can play, where she can. I don't want to limit her in that, not for materialistic things. So I think lately I have noticed that I have to clean a lot more often with my room because she's walking now. So because she's walking, you know, she's making even more of messes, and I am not going to be telling her she can't, you know, don't do this, don't do that, limiting her, you know, that can stunt their personality and stuff. So you got to be careful with stuff like that too. So, yeah, so I'll clean because I'm always cleaning anyway. So I'll do the cleaning and let her roam. Yeah, I'm definitely making sure that I vacuum this carpet today because last night I was you know, playing in Babe's hair, like scraping it and stuff. So I'll make sure I vacuum it today so when Baby Zyla starts to roam, everything is nice and clean for her. And this is my Bissell vacuum. I really like this vacuum. I like their products, period. I have that one and I have the one that cleans the carpets. So I am getting my lighter so that I can light my candles because I am finished. And here is the finished product, guys. This is what I like to see when I walk into my room. My bed, well made. It just looks like my sanctuary. It makes me feel so relaxing. And I just love this feeling. It's almost time for me to redecorate for Christmas. So that video definitely will be coming soon. So I will be refreshing my bed. You know, all my beddings, my pillows, I will be refreshing those to bring in that Christmas vibe. So stay tuned. That video will be coming soon. And yeah, today I'm definitely going to be pulling down my Christmas stuff today so I can see, you know, what I have. I don't remember what colors I bought. at the end of Christmas last year because I buy my decoration the end of Christmas because they're on discount for the following year. So you'll see those videos coming soon. Stay tuned, guys, and thank you for hanging out with me while I clean. Bye.